Methiye Oondos. Karkada Masu is the last month of our Hindu almanac. The rapid climatic changes and downpours bring with it a lot of epidemics. To protect themselves from these adverse situations, our elders had followed strict diets to keep themselves fit and healthy. They also had special dishes during this time, one being Methiye veg, the recipe of which you can find in the description below. Here is another nutritious recipe of Methiye Oondos, provided by my friend Ansuya V. Prabhu. For this simple recipe, take 1 cup of Kerala Matar rice and a quarter cup of Methi seeds. Spread out the rice and methi to dry for some time until they have lost the moisture. Add the rice and methi in a pan and dry roast on a medium flame until they pop and turn crisp like this. Set aside to cool and then grind to a fine powder in a mixer.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चैताय दुकुनो नंक छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चढवाने हे मुकार्यान के घेन उचुका ते बी घेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेणे व्यू मात्र नाही कोरका लाईक शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब कोरका.
Make sure that it is fine. Now add half cup of powdered jaggery in a pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of water. Heat till it melts and has thickened. No need to check for string stage. Add half cup of grated coconut. You may add more of jaggery and coconut if you need it sweeter. At this stage, switch off and add the rice methi powder gradually. Mix thoroughly. See that it is of binding consistency. Now add a little ghee to your hands. and bind into Laddoos. Tasty Laddoos are ready. A little bitterness of the methi will be there, but that only enhances the flavor. So make and enjoy these Laddoos to stay fit and healthy. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.